Hey everyone! If you've ever been stuck at the airport because your flight was delayed, this guide is for you. Did you know that you could be entitled to compensation when your flight doesn't go as planned? It's actually much simpler than most people think. Let's dive in and break it all down, step by step. First off, when your flight is delayed, the airline might owe you compensation depending on the circumstances. The key factors that determine this are how long your flight was delayed and the cause of the delay. Most airlines are obligated under certain regulations, especially in the EU, to provide compensation if the delay meets the criteria. But here is where it can get confusing. Each country and region may have different rules. So what can you do? The first step is to gather all the necessary information about your flight. Keep your boarding pass, note the delay times, and, if possible, the reason given by the airline. All of this is essential for your claim. Then, check if the airline is responsible for the delay. Delays caused by factors like bad weather or strikes might not qualify for compensation. Once you gathered all the details, you need to submit a claim. The process can feel a bit overwhelming, but here is where it gets easier. You can use services like Compensair to handle the claim for you. They take care of everything from start to finish, ensuring you get the compensation you deserve without the hassle. All you have to do is provide them with your flight information, and they'll manage the rest. Follow the link in the description to get started, and make sure you're not leaving any money on the table. Just like that, you'll have your compensation sorted in no time. No one wants to deal with a flight delay, but if it happens, now you know exactly what to do. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you.